Last night I was able to get a free camping spot out the back of the pub in Lake Tyers, just outside Lake's entrance. I highly recommend that spot. I've never seen a free camp like that where you get free power and water hookup. It's free for the first 2 nights and then $25 a night after that. Obviously I went and had a meal at the pub and a couple of beers because it's good to support local business, especially when they're doing things like that for travellers. They've got toilets there, showers. It was really awesome and nice chill people. But I have hit the road again and now I'm heading to Wilsons Prom for tonight, maybe tomorrow night. I've stopped in Bairnsdale to get some snacks. And stock up on some food. I've got a full thing of water from the last place and I want to hopefully get some hiking in if the weather stays in the sky. The weather's always in the sky, but I don't want the rain to fall out of it. That's what I'm trying to say. If the rain stays in the sky instead of on the ground. The transitional part of... Anyway, so I've just turned down a little side track to see if I can find a little lunch spot. And I've just realized I left my little step ladder at my little campsite, the last spot that I was at, and I loved that step ladder. Hopefully I can find a Bunnings before I get to the next place that I'm going. I might have to go back to Sale or something, because I've got to get myself another one. It just has to be done. These things happen. Whoa. To see where this road leads. Hey buddy. How are you going? Where? I don't know. I was going to ask you a similar question. I guess no one knows where that road comes out. Can't help but be somewhat annoyed with myself because when I took the stepladder out of the car last night, I sat it in front of the car and told myself multiple times, don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. Yet in the morning, I did one final check in the van. I went, yep, everything's here. So obviously I forgot it. And then backing out, I was so worried about what was behind me, I didn't see the bloody stepladder in front of me. Oh well, it's all part of the adventure. Alright, I've looked it up. Bunnings Morwell. It's about an hour detour or round trip. But I really think I'm going to need it when I get to Thingo because I want to set up my awning and it's just painful without it. Need a step ladder. Or need to be taller. Need to be taller, probably. That's it.
Yep. Do you have a Flybuys or a Power Pass at all?
No.
No.
Oh yeah, I do have a Power Pass actually.
Yeah, of course.
Better. Just pulled into Wilsons Prom National Park and I'm driving to Tidal River Campground. I guess me and my wild hair are checking into the visitors centre. Looks pretty quiet for camping. So the lady said just have a drive around and find a spot you like. And that is exactly what I'm gonna do. And further away from the visitors centre is quieter. So that's where I'm headed. After a fair bit of driving backwards and forwards and around the place, I finally found myself a nice little quiet spot. I'm here for 2 nights, so I'm all set up. Gonna do some hiking tomorrow, gonna go for a little walk this afternoon. It's getting pretty late, it's 5 o'clock already. But I want to squeeze in some sort of form of exercise today. So all I've been doing is driving around. Oh my god, I found a wombat. They're so tame. They're like pets. Except they've got all shit on their back. Diseased pets. If the weather's good, I'm going to climb that mountain tomorrow. That's the plan anyway. It's not very high, it's like 500 and something meters, I don't know. I've got a cinema here. I'm so lost and this is so different to when I last came here. I think my campsite's over that hill somewhere. Home sweet home. And everything's just how I left it. So now I take the GoPro, chuck it on this little charger, USB-C charge that GoPro, and to make some dinner before it gets too dark. Unlike last time. Again, I got the veggies going in here. I'm gonna start cooking them a bit now. Because last time I undercooked them. I don't know how long to cook things in this thing. How long it can boil for even. I did it before it got too dark tonight. Yes! Looks pretty good. Hopefully I cooked it enough. I'm sure you can't see how pink this sky is, but it is incredible. What a sunset!